Daniel.
I said, stop her here.
Oh my God. Like, where's that headed?
Holy shit.
This is scary.
I'll take a picture too.
I'm videotaping.
Where is that headed?
Yeah,
Daniel?
we better watch. It's coming this way.
Yeah.
We better get out of here.
Daniel, I'm really scared now. Oh, dear God. Oh, dear God.
It's coming this way.
It's kind of going.
It's kind of going to the north. We could always fly down that way if we have to.
Yeah.
Jeff, you need to call
Man,
your
I hope
wife?
my Biscay house, that's over there.
Sure.
Well,
Jeff, you're
It's
not
coming this
fucking
way.
worried.
she's fine.
Oh my
is so
God,
rad.
I'm scared now.
Okay. That's coming right at us here.
It is coming this way. Daniel.
Whoa, that is just like incredible.
That is awesome.
Daniel, which way is it headed?
I don't know. It's coming this way, dude.
Yeah. Okay.
Honey,
Awesome.
I'm like really scared.
I don't know how we can. We might want to go turn around and go back that way because if we no, we can go down here and take a right and get out away from it.